not able to expand the folders in Microsoft Outlook. Let's find out what causes this issue and how to fix it. But before we move to the process of fixing, we request you to subscribe to our channel to get quick fixes to all issues you face while working on your computers. While trying to access mailbox folders, or trying to expand a shared folder, public folder, address book, or some other secondary mailbox, you have come across this error. Cannot expand the folder. The set of folders cannot be opened. Or cannot expand the folder. Microsoft Outlook cannot access the specified folders. Note that this error is common in Outlook 2010 and all the later versions. Based on the reason for the issue, we need to try different solutions to fix the Outlook folder not expanding issue. We will discuss different solutions here. Reason 1. To disable cached exchange mode, open MS Outlook, go to the File menu, expand Account Settings, and click Account Settings. Now, unselect Use Cached Exchange Mode. Click Next and follow further instructions. After completing the process, check if the folder expands. Reason 2. Third-party add-ins may affect the synchronization of the mailbox and the functioning of the application. So, let's disable add-ins. Open Outlook, go to the File menu, and click Options. Click Add-ins and click Go. Unselect the add-ins, click OK. Now, restart the Outlook application and try to expand the troubling folder. Reason 3. When the reason for the error is the corruption of the Outlook profile or OST file, you can recreate the Outlook profile. If that doesn't work, you can repair the Outlook database file using a professional tool, Kernel for OST to PST. Kernel for OST to PST converter is essential for Outlook users and Exchange administrators. It helps them retrieve items of corrupt, orphaned, or inaccessible OST files like emails, attachments, contacts, distribution lists, calendars, task notes, etc. It saves the retrieved data to Outlook PST, Exchange Server, or Office 365. We hope we have made your tasks easy. Do hit the like button, and do not forget to share your experience with us. You can place your queries in the comment section given below. To explore our tool more, you can visit the link given below.